Welcome to Lesson 5 under Preparing Computer-Aided Drawings. For this lesson, we will discuss about the modify commands. Just like with the draw commands, modify commands are also a set of special commands which comes handy whenever you are performing drawing tasks in AutoCAD. As the name suggests, a modify command allows the user to make some changes or modifications to existing lines and objects. AutoCAD provides a whole range of tools such as trim, offset, move, mirror, copy, and many others. As we discuss each modify command one by one, you will notice that the command names function the same way as its name. Modify commands can also be accessed through in one of the three ways: through the icon or symbol in the toolbar, typing in the shortcut in the keyboard, or from the pull-down menu. For this presentation, we will focus our discussion on the use of the two modify commands, the erase and the move command. Let's start with the erase command. The erase command is the modify command that will allow us to erase or delete any selected object or objects from our drawing. Watch the video demonstration to know how to use the erase command.
How do we use the erase command in AutoCAD? The first option is by clicking the icon found in the ribbon or in the toolbar. Once you click the icon, you will notice that your crosshair will change into a pick box. A pick box is a sign that a modify command is already active. AutoCAD now is asking you to select the object or objects that you want to be deleted or removed from your drawing area. So let's say we wanted to remove this circle. Just left click on your mouse to select the object. After selecting, you will notice that the object turns into gray, or for some older versions it will become dashed or dotted line. After selecting, just key in or press enter or the space bar on your keyboard. So you just have deleted the circle in the drawing. Another way of activating the erase command is by just typing letter E on your keyboard and then press enter. So it will go ahead and ask you to select the object. So let's say we wanted to select or to remove this square and this circle. So you just have to do the window selection method so you can erase multiple objects. So it will become gray again, or dashed or dotted line in some versions, and then press enter or spacebar on your keyboard. The easiest way of deleting an object or erasing an object in AutoCAD is just by selecting the object and then press the delete key on your keyboard. Or you can just go ahead and do the window selection method to select all the objects that you wanted to delete and then press the delete key in your keyboard. One of the most commonly used modify command in AutoCAD is the move command. And as the name suggests, the move command will allow you to move a specific object or objects from one location to another. To activate, you can either click the icon found in the modify panel or just key in letter M on your keyboard and then press enter. AutoCAD now will prompt you to select the object or objects that you want to move. So let's say, for example, I wanted to move this circle. To select the object, just left click on your mouse. You will notice that the selected objects will become highlighted. After that, just press enter or spacebar on your keyboard. Now, AutoCAD will be asking you to specify the base point. Remember that the base point will serve as the tail end of an imaginary arrow that will indicate how far and in what direction are you going to move that selected object. In specifying the base point, you can just click or select anywhere on this object or near this selected object. But the best way to specify the base point is through the use of the object snap modes, which includes the endpoint, the midpoint, the center point, and others. So make sure that your OSnap or object snap is toggled on every time you are going to do a modify command. So for this circle, let's make use of the center point as the base point. So just left click on your mouse. After specifying the base point, you will see that AutoCAD is now giving you a temporary image of the object as you move your cursor or as you move your mouse on your drawing area. So it's already giving you a preview of what will happen if you click on this part as your second point. So in specifying the second point, it AutoCAD is now it's just asking you to where am I going to put this circle? Or if you have a specific distance that is given, you can go ahead and use that. So let's say for example there is no distance given, we can just make a left click on this part. So as you can see that the object is moved from this location to this new location. How about if there is specific distance as displacement? So let's move this circle once again. So just type in M and then select the object, press enter or space bar. Let's use the quadrant as the base point this time. So as you move along, if you have a distance given, so let's type in for example 50 and then press enter.